Hi, I'm Jimwell Ramilo Salazar, 23 years old, from Tranca, Talisay, Batangas, Philippines. I'm second year college student, taking up Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Electronic Technology, at Batangas State University JPLPC, Campus, Malbar, Batangas. I'm the ninth son of Mr. Edelberto Salazar and Teresita Salazar. I have 8 brothers and 4 sisters. I already work in Daiwa Psycho Philippines Corporation at Binyan, Mamplasan, Laguna as quality control, and in Universal Rubina Corporation at San Cristobal, Calamba, Laguna as production operator. I am also well trained by our institution in soldering components, designing schematic diagram, and assembling components. I enjoy watching movies like Terminator because I believe that is related to my field of specialization. I believe that these skills that I learned would give me the knowledge to perform in this on-the-job training. With this, I am hoping that you will be accepting me as one of your trainees in your large and reputable company. Thank you.